Hello friends! Welcome to Crazy Srimanta. We'll improve our English speaking skills and learn something new. So if you're ready, stay with me until the end. Now, let's get started.
Wow, this is really happening. I might finally get my chance. Imagine me winning that trophy. Dad would be so proud.
Mom! Dad! Guess what? What happened? You look excited.
My teacher selected my project!
Really? That's fantastic, son.
I knew you could do it.
I've worked so hard for this.
There's just one problem.
What's wrong? Let me see what I have.
That's all?
We don't have enough, son.
So I can't go?
I'm really sorry, Daniel.
You don't understand, Dad. You always say that!
Daniel, calm down.
You tell me to follow my dreams, but now you're stopping me.
I'm not stopping you.
Then what are you doing?
Daniel, please listen to your father.
Mom, nobody understands me!
If you believed in me, you'd find a way.
That isn't fair, son.
Maybe my dream is too big.
Daniel, wait!
He didn't mean it.
I know.
What are you going to do?
I'll find a way. You've always dreamed so big. I won't let money stop you. This was your grandfather's, but your future matters more. I'm sorry, Dad. I have to do this. Just wait for me, son. I'll make this right. $500. There has to be a way.
Can you tell me what this is worth?
Where did you get this? This is quite old.
It belonged to my father.
I can give you 300.
300?
This is the best I can offer you today.
Thank you, Mr. Harris. It means a lot.
What do you need the money for?
My son's future.
A father would do a lot for his son.
I'd do anything.
I'll make you an offer.
How much?
I can give you 400.
I need 5.
It's worth more than 400. But I can't go much higher. I'll take the 400. Are you sure? Once you sign, it's mine.
I understand.
Take care of yourself.
Thank you. Take good care of it.
I will. $400. I'll find the rest. Maybe I can work tonight. Just one more job.
Tom, are you still working?
Robert, at this hour?
Do you have anything I can do?
There's one car left. Start with that wheel. Got it.
This thing won't move.
Try it from the other side.
There!
That's better. Take a minute.
I'm okay. Let's keep going. It's Emma.
You should answer. Hey, Emma. What's wrong?
Where are you?
I'm just helping Tom with something.
This late at night?
Where did Dad go? I thought he was with Tom.
Dad didn't take his jacket?
Actually, he did.
Why isn't he answering?
Maybe his phone is on silent.
He called me earlier.
Did you call him back?
Come on, Dad. Pick up.
Nothing?
Straight to voicemail.
His wallet is gone.
So he went somewhere. I'll find a way. He said he'd find a way.
What are you thinking?
Mom, what if this is about the competition?
I don't know, Daniel.
You've been at this for hours.
I can't stop yet. What time is it?
Almost 2. This is the last part.
Then let's finish this one. Almost there.
Take your time. Come on.
Yes.
You earned this.
This is more than we agreed.
You stayed when you didn't have to.
I really needed it. $500.
Exactly what you needed.
Dad, where were you?
Working.
Where's Grandpa's watch?
I sold it.
You did all this for me?
I told you I'd find a way.
I'm sorry, Dad.
Just make it count.
I'll give it everything I've got.
That's all I ever wanted.
That's all for today's video. I hope you learned something helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Check out the next video too. Thank you for watching. Keep learning and keep smiling. Bye-bye.